Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to share with you another fantastic websites and companies na nag-o-offer ng mga online job positions sa mga freelancers and virtual assistant. Very competitive yung mga ino-offer nilang salary. This is 100% work from home setup and may mga training din silang ino-offer. So if you want to know more about these websites and companies, stay tuned until the end of the video para wala kayong ma-miss na information. Let's get started!
So guys, don't forget to hit that like button and also syempre subscribe and share it to your friends or family na nangangailangan ng video na to. First up is FreeUp. So what is FreeUp? It's a unique freelance marketplace that connects business owners with skilled freelancers and remote workers from all over the world. FreeUp believes that freelancing is the future of the business, and they are dedicated to building a vibrant community for freelancer. So ano yung ino-offer ni FreeUp sa mga clients nila? Let's look at the three key benefits. The first one is access to top talents. Sinasabi ni FreeUp that they carefully recruits, interviews, and vets thousands of freelancers every week. So only top 1% make it through. So you can trust that you're hiring the best virtual assistant or freelancer. So it means that pag na-hire kayo dito sa FreeUp, it means that you're one of the best virtual assistant or freelancer that they can offer to their client. Next is quickly hiring process. So FreeUp pairs their clients with qualified candidates within 24 hours based on the job description na diniscuss ni client, and that means that you can get to work sooner. Lastly, they have concierge level support. So they have dedicated account manager that are ready to assist their clients with any questions or guidance na kailangan ni client. So now let's talk about the job position available. So yung mga client nila pwedeng pumili from 3 levels of expertise. So, nakakategorize dito yung mga freelancer and virtual assistant nila into the different level based on your expertise. So, meron ditong entry level. So, that's the first level, entry level. So, starting from $5 to $15 per hour, doon nag-rate yung per hour nila. And ito yung mga freelancer that are great for businesses that are already have processes in place. Next level is the mid-level. So, this specialist earn $15 to $30 per hour. So, ito yung mga freelancers or virtual assistant that can take project on their own processes. And lastly is expert level. So, they can earn $30 to $75 or more. So, ito yung mga high-level consultant or strategist na mga virtual assistant and freelancer who can help their client para mapalago yung business nila. So why freelance with FreeUp? Freelancers on FreeUp enjoy tons of benefits, including access to hundreds of job opportunities that are posted weekly, ability to set their own goals and work schedule, and work around-the-clock support. So, hindi ka mag-iisa dito. You have support kahit anong oras, pwede kang humingi ng tulong. Plus, there are webinars and a Slack workshop or workspace to help you career success. So, what freelancing jobs to expect sa FreeUp? So, sinasabi ni FreeUp that they have clients na naghahanap ng mga freelancers across all sort of industries and expertise. So, ito yung mga available position para sa Philippines. So, content writer, remote customer service specialist, remote data entry specialist, and remote telemarketing position. So let's take a look at the remote data entry specialist. So if you're interested in data entry freelancing job, now here's the data entry freelancing job application requirement. It should have extensive experience in data entry and management, extensive experience in Excel, Google Doc, and other similar data management tools. Dapat strong English and communication skills. dapat meron ding stable on internet connection and must able to respond sa mga kliyente nyo within the day. So what are the benefits? Of course, sinabi na yon, you can set your own rates. This is 100% work from home setup. Meron silang 24/7 support para sa mga virtual assistant nila or freelancer. They have also webinars and funds lock community na makakatulong sa freelance career mo. Now, how to apply to be a FreeUp data entry freelancer. All you have to do is just to fill out the application form, take FreeUp Freelancer course, and after that, you just have to magkakaroon kayo ng quick Zoom video interview with the member of the FreeUp team. And then after that, once na nakapasa na kayo and you're in their network, you can start applying sa mga available position na meron si FreeUp, and you can start to make money. Okay, so the estimated salary here for this position, nag-range siya from $8 to $15 per hour, depending on your experience. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Novo VA or Novo Virtual Assistant. So, sino ba si Novo VA? They're offering amazing opportunities for virtual assistant looking to help businesses grow in US. Plus, this is 100% work from home setup. So, in Novo VA, they train their virtual assistant and set up for success. So, they pair them sa mga client nila na mostly suit their unique set of qualification and distinct personalities. So Novo VA is a company that treats each of every virtual assistant with respect. So here are the few reasons to consider joining Novo VA. First is they have competitive salary package. Next is they have work from home setup, so no more commuting. Just set up your workspace wherever you feel comfortable, diba? Next is paid leave. So enjoy time off you deserve. Paid time off allows you to relax and also syempre recharge. And lastly is career path opportunities. So Novo VA supports your growth, helping you reach your professional goals. So ano yung mga available opportunities dito sa Novo VA? So once you've made decision to apply through their website, the procedures begin. So there are job vacancies that you can select from appointment setter, general administration, bookkeeping, accounting, and marketing. Once you're selected the job role that suits your best, just click the apply now button and you'll be directed to their online application form. So what's the application process? So all you have to do is just to fill out the needed information and ensure that you're equipped with the listed system requirements below. So what is the screening process? All application received sa pamagitan ng website nila. So i-review yon and i-screen. And this process will take about 1 to 2 business days to screen the application. Once na nakapasa kayo sa preliminary screening process, an initial interview invite will be sent via email by a recruiter specialist. Then, after that, magkakaroon na kayo ng online exam and system check. Lastly, will be the final interview from their recruiter manager. Note that sinasabi nila na from their recruiter team that they consistently send update concerning on the status of your application. So, dapat make a habit to check your inbox for any emails and syempre your mobile phones for any SMS na manggagaling from Novo VA. So once na-hired na kayo, what will be the next step? So you have to wait for their recruitment team to provide you schedule for training, which is nagko-cover yun about the information about the role that you were hired for, tools, Novo VA values, and other information that may help you become a prime VA professional for your future clients. So after training has been completed, then they will match you your work experience and skills based on client's need. And the best Next thing that you will have is your, of course, paycheck. So the estimated salary here, you can earn from $400 to $700 per month depending on the position.
And there you have it, guys. So whether you're looking to freelance with FreeUp or gusto nyong mag-join as a virtual assistant sa Nuvo VA, both website or companies nag-offer sila ng mga incredible opportunities for your growth and success in this career. So I do hope that this video makatulong sa paghahanap nyo ng mga online jobs na gusto nyong applyan. So thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and syempre subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong kong online job tips and tutorials. Thank you! Bye!